Greetings from the opulent and eco-friendly travel of the future. Introducing the BYD Motorhome 2026, a revolutionary creation that combines BYD's expertise in electric vehicle technology with the incredible comfort of a motorhome. With its sleek, modern shape, modern LED lighting, and sleek, aerodynamic lines, the design is striking and perfectly captures BYD's commitment to innovation. The motorhome has solar panels on the roof for optimal energy efficiency and features the Ocean Aesthetics design concept, which was influenced by BYD's most recent passenger cars. It is practical as well as stylish. A cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain driven by BYD's most recent Blade battery technology, which is known for its durability and safety, sits beneath this gorgeous exterior. Long-distance driving is made possible by the amazing instantaneous power and torque produced by two electric motors, which also have an amazing range and smoothly accelerate. You enter and are greeted by a dashboard that combines the idea of a computerized cockpit. All entertainment, navigation, and motorhome functions are managed via a large, intuitive touchscreen, and crucial driving data is shown clearly on a digital instrument panel. Light wood or metal accents combined with sustainable, soft-touch materials may create a contemporary, eco-friendly atmosphere. The interior design is mostly modular and adaptable, making use of every square inch of available space. The living room can easily be converted into a dining area or even an extra bed thanks to the great upholstery, swivel, and folding qualities of the couches and chairs. Programmable LED ambient lighting adds a luxury touch and produces a range of mood-appropriate ambiances. The bedroom in the back is a peaceful haven. It has a king or queen bed with a comfortable memory foam mattress, simple storage, and panoramic windows to enjoy the lovely surroundings. Your personal comfort and amusement are enhanced by a flat-screen TV and an integrated audio system. The bathroom's design aims to be both opulent and functional. A toilet with a water-saving flush system, a stylish sink with an illuminated mirror, and a contemporary shower with great water pressure. The highest degree of comfort is offered by superior waterproof materials and efficient ventilation. With a huge freezer-equipped refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a well-integrated double sink, the kitchen is a gourmet adventurer's paradise. You may prepare delectable meals wherever you go because of the superb surfaces and sufficient amount of storage space. The BYD Motorhome 2026 is a mobile luxury house that runs entirely on energy and BYD's relentless innovation. Get ready for an amazing adventure. It is a platform for limitless exploration rather than merely a mode of conveyance.